eyewitnesses?
My wife.
Okay. Alright, did any of you see it?
My wife did right there.
Okay.
Please. No. Oh my.
I can't. My leg. I can't lower it. I can't keep it up. Please.
Are you his wife?
I'm his girlfriend. I just need to get in touch with his
with
mom. Our stuff is in the car. I have to call my job and everything, but I can't leave him.
Hand it to me, babe.
I can't leave him.
Why can't she come with me?
That's what I was trying to tell you. When I was doing like this, I said they got guns. That's why I was trying to tell you they got guns.
I'm not finna run up to no gun.
That was my intention. I was like,
Where'd that tape go?
I handed it to Semchi.
Oh, Semchi?
Yeah, Semchi grabbed it from me.
Right here, where'd that tape go?
Especially like these young people.
Oh, Semchi? Okay. Oh, okay. I see.
I was parked right here.
Was he in a car by
They
chance?
was in the, okay, when I walked,
This one?
when I pulled up, they were both outside the vehicle.
Okay.
Or getting outside the vehicle.
This one right here?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, can you step away from the car, please?
I'm his
Were you
girlfriend.
in,
I was
were you
in
in
the
this
car.
car?
My stuff is in me. I'm trying to get the keys.
Was he shot in this car?
No.
Where
he
was he
was
shot?
right there. Yeah. I know she was in the car.
Okay.
I just need to get the keys.
You just need the
This
key
is his
for it?
mom's car, and I'm trying to at least, okay. The alarm is on. I don't know how to turn it.
It's okay.
I don't know how to turn the alarm off. I'm just trying to find the key. So his mom.
They were, he got shot right there. That's what they're saying.
They were arguing about him not getting in his car.
Yeah, they're arguing about not getting in the car for some reason. Do you know where the key is? Do you know where the key is?
No, I'm trying to get in touch with his mom to see if she can get down here really quick.
Or no, I'm sorry.
Who was this other guy?
His cousin.
It's his cousin? Like
Yeah.
blood cousin or just
Yeah.
a good friend cousin?
That's his blood
Cousin? Okay, what were they arguing about? Over you?
Huh?
Over you?
Yeah.
About like
Because he was
relationship
like,
stuff? or
no,
what?
because his cousin was trying to was asking me weird questions and stuff, and I told him that I was on my way to work.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And
I got
they
you.
was just a good fight, but his cousin.
Pulled a gun on you? Just hang tight, okay? We're gonna have, what's your name, hon? What's your name? We're gonna have some detectives come out and they're gonna want to talk to you about everything too, okay? Just so we get a clearer picture of what actually happened here, okay? Can you tell me how old, is it your boyfriend?
Yeah. Can you give me 1 second? I have to call his mother, and I'm trying to.
Before you do that, because I know it's gonna be a minute and it's probably gonna be very stressful. What is his name? He's gonna be alright, okay? He's gonna be okay. How old are you?
21.
21. You guys get him? Beautiful. It's his cousin. I know. That's what he said. Yeah. Said it was an accident. Yeah. They were arguing. I don't think it was an accident.
The guy. Okay, so come on.
Just watch out for the blood.
I pulled up right here. Okay.
This your car right here?
No, this car right here. My husband went into the store. I was just gonna wait until. Why don't you mind your business? I'm talking to him. He came and got me. You ain't got nothing to do with this. Anyway, so I'm pulled me right here, and then he went inside the store. My cousin was pulled right here. She just happened to pull up, and she waved to us.
I got you.
And then my husband said hi to her as he was going to the store. I got out, went over to her car, and we said hi. What y'all doing today? And he went to that. They arguing, they going back and forth around the car, and I'm like, dang, is they playing? Is they for real?
Around this black
car,
Chevy?
yeah.
Okay.
Because when the old dude, the driver, when he went into the car, into the store, allegedly the guy, the shooter, was trying to holler at her. I don't know how he knew that, but that's what he was saying. No, you're not getting back in my car. No, you're not getting back in my car. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. And I can see the pistol right here in this pocket like this. No, I'm sorry, it was this one. Because he was standing right here. I can see the pistol. And then I went back to Edna. I said, Edna, they got guns. I said, they got guns. I moved my car. So I moved my car up here, and I'm sitting in the car, and I'm telling old dude, the one guy that has Hustle 8, he's sitting over there, and I'm telling him like this. And I'm looking for my cell phone because I was going to call y'all, but I couldn't find it. So then I got out the car to go ask Edna to give me her phone. Now they right here. And well, it started right here around
in the Malibu.
around the vehicle.
Around this car?
Yes. Because he wanted to get back in the car and drive it. The victim would not let him get back in the car. Because he said he was trying to holler at this girl when he was in the store. So he's standing right here. He said, boy, I'll shoot you. And I don't know what the other guy was saying. I don't know, they was having words back and forth, but he never pulled a gun out. He pulled that damn gun out and went pow. I think the guy was shot the first thing. Pow. I think it was a 2 shots.
Then what were you stepping there?
And I got to screaming, and I ran in the store, hollering and screaming.
I got you.
No, he sat here trying to say, the gun went off. It was in my pocket. I was trying to protect both of us. And I looked at him and I said, okay, he does have a gun. But I saw the whole thing, but I didn't tell him that I saw the whole thing.
Right. All right.
And he took his shirt off, trying to push me off the way because we put a tourniquet and was, trying to, I got a blanket, a pillow, and was trying to do what we could. And the guy, the shooter, he tried to push me out the way. I said, no, we trying to stop the blood. He took his shirt, that white shirt that's tied around his leg, that came off the shooter.
Okay. And
Verse 48.
what was her name, ma'am?
Jennifer.
You're pretty key witness.
Yeah. And he said, that's my cousin. I wouldn't hurt my cousin. I'm like, really? But I'm gonna tell y'all right now, he pulled the gun out and shot him. It wasn't like the gun went off accidentally. Pow, pow.
A gas station. 2 cousins, 1 firearm. 1 man leaves in an ambulance. The shooter claims accident. 2 witnesses say murder. This is what the body cam captured and what the law says about it. Aggravated assault with a deadly weapon requires intentional act, deadly weapon, and serious bodily injury. If the discharge was accidental, the charge drops to reckless discharge, a lesser offense. Intent is everything. 2 independent eyewitnesses destroy the accident claim. 1 observed the firearm in the suspect's pocket before the argument peaked. The other watched him draw, aim, and fire twice. A pocket accident does not fire twice in sequence. A prior verbal threat, "I'll shoot you," constitutes direct evidence of premeditation. The Supreme Court in Jackson versus Virginia held that this alone is sufficient for a rational jury to find intent beyond a reasonable doubt. Issue 1, Miranda. The suspect made on-scene statements while restrained, without rights advisement. The Supreme Court in Miranda versus Arizona established that custodial statements made before advisement are suppressible. However, in Rhode Island versus Innis, the court held that spontaneous statements, those not prompted by officer questioning, remain admissible. Whether these statements were spontaneous or interrogated is the central pretrial dispute. Issue 2, the firearm. The Supreme Court in United States versus Robinson held that a full search of the person incident to a lawful arrest requires no additional warrant. The weapon is admissible. The Miranda dispute does not affect it.
Did you guys saw what happened?
Hell no, I didn't see what happened.
shit.
I was inside the gas station. I heard the 2 gunshots.
You know where you at? You're on the east side of Akron. Ain't nobody saying
So if you
nothing.
didn't see anything, get outside of the tape here.
Oh, okay. 'Cause this is my
I'm already outside of the tape.
No, outside of the tape.
I just,
That side of the
me?
tape. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, ain't nobody.
So did you see anything that happened?
I was sitting on the crack right there.
Did you see it?
Yeah, I see.
What did you see? Did anybody talk to you yet? No. Okay. What'd you see?
Somebody get shot.
She's the manager. She's the manager. You are not the manager. You got her.
Here, honey.
So what exactly did you see?
They was arguing about that's his girl right there. The one got shot.
Yeah.
So I guess when he got out there, they was saying like, you trying to holler at my girl.
Okay. He's the guy that got shot said that? Okay.
No, the guy said, yeah, you trying to holler at my girl.
Okay.
He like, cuz, I want to do that, I want to do that. That's how the argument starts. So they trying to leave, but he locked the door so his cousin won't get in.
Okay.
So he trying to open the door because she had the door still open. He trying to hit the locks in so he get in the back.
13.
But once he tried to get in the back, dude walked around the car, the one got shot.
13.
And he said, don't walk up on me.
Continue line for 36 South County.
Yeah, I don't know if they'll call you or not, but just I appreciate your help.
13-8 firm.
She can tell y'all everything. She's sitting right there.
Yeah. Well, you were over here, so I figured see.
She's sitting right there.
You were up there.
Right here between the freezer and
Okay.
between the 2 poles down there.
You got a car here? Or?
No, my girl working.
She's working. Okay. Is the store locked?
Yeah, they locked.
Okay. All right. Yeah, if you don't mind, just hang out like right up here.
They're possibly.
On the ground! On the ground!
In the lot. I do have a large rifle on me.
Westbound on Archwood, light up in Bell. Shooter is westbound.
Sir, it was a discharge of a weapon, sir.
That's fine, man. We'll get it figured out, all right? Just relax. Just relax.
I wasn't trying to run in up
I have an apprehension.
Can I sit up, man?
965.
Hey, sir, can you get this weapon out of my pocket? I went to discharge it to put it down and it went off.
Listen, I'm going to stand you up, all right?
Yes, sir. I don't do that. Sir, it went off. It might be chambered. I was trying to help my cousin. What the fuck? Bro, I was trying to help my cousin. Yes, sir.
Just relax, man. If it was an accident, just relax, all right?
Yes, sir.
Any other weapons on you?
I do not know.
Okay.
No, I do not. You when it says I wear a jacket, I was like, all right, chill, don't push me. No other things on me, sir.
Where is the...
I ain't gonna run it. Okay, you good. Hey, could you put...
What's that?
While I'm sitting here, could you put these in front of me?
They can't.
All right, sir.
They come out of the mag. I think they're in his pocket.
Grades, officers B-. Adequate scene control. 2 failures. Witnesses not separated before statements. And no on-camera Miranda advisement. Both are exploitable by defense counsel. The suspect D. Prior threat. 2 shots. 2 witnesses. Then he spoke freely on camera without counsel. Every word is now a prosecution exhibit. Victim's girlfriend, A-. Precise, consistent testimony under acute stress, independently corroborated by a second eyewitness. Minor deduction for briefly resisting scene management instructions. Lessons. For officers, separate witnesses immediately. Proximity before formal interviews is a contamination risk. Defense attorneys will exploit at trial. Always document Miranda on camera. An unverifiable off-camera advisement is a suppression motion waiting to happen. For civilians, the moment you are detained, stop talking. Invoke the right to silence. Request an attorney. Post-arrest statements without counsel are among the most common sources of self-incrimination in recorded history. A verbal threat, a drawn weapon, 2 fired rounds. No legal definition of accident covers this sequence. Intent is built by events, not erased by what you say afterward.
He said he was rejecting them.
Let us know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.